What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mari back again with another video for y'all boys today, man. As you can see in my hand, man, got another roof spoiler, man. I actually had one before, but I was actually caught up with the person holding the camera and it flew off, you feel me? So we got another one. I'm actually gonna put that clip in the intro, man, you feel me? I'm gonna let that clip play. Got it today in the mail as I was about to leave my crib, so I just grabbed it, scooped it, and this is it right here. Feel me? And it actually came with double-sided tape, so we actually wasted our time buying it.
Oh, word.
Feel me? Yeah. So what you're gonna need for this part, man, is double-sided tape and just a glass cleaner, and I got a rag just to wipe the window down. Feel me? So I am gonna do that first. How you open this thing, bro? You trust it? Yeah. Yeah. So what you want to do first, my windshield, back windshield is dirty, so we're going to spray it down just so, for me, it could stick. I got all these products from AutoZone, man. All these products from AutoZone. They got sponsored.
AutoZone sponsor my boy.
I spray that joint down. Probably get a little lower. We're going to do the whole windshield, but just the part where you put the spoiler light and everything like that. I'm going to get a nice little rag real quick. Got a little dirty rag, so just wipe it down real quick. The seat getting clean, feel me? I'm about to hit that other side, go around. Boom. Feel me? Y'all see the difference between this and all that junk right there, feel me? Spoiler can't stick on there, man, so gotta wipe that thing down. If y'all got a spoiler for me, want me to install it, let me know too, man, for me. I don't charge a lot. Alright, I see the top is looking spotless, and then all this is still looking dirty. But we only worry about the top right now, because that's where the roof spoiler is gonna go. So, boom, nice and polished. And then we're gonna go here. My floor, bro. Good. Almost tripped the cameraman.
No, you good.
So we throw that right there real quick. I'm gonna take this joint out. I'm only doing this myself because it's like the easiest mod in history. Like I don't even gotta do no drilling, no nothing. Just kind of like a plug and play type of thing, man. So, boom. I'm gonna throw that on the floor. And I'm gonna pick all this up, chat. I'm gonna pick all this up. Don't litter. And then boom. Got the gloss black spoiler. Y'all see what's going on. Feel me? To me, it's real minuscule mod, but like it adds, like you could see it, like it adds a little difference, like in the car. So I think it's supposed to go. No.
Yeah, the other way.
Yeah. It's supposed to go like that, chat. So y'all see how it's supposed to look. Has a nice little touch to the car and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put the double-sided tape on that they gave me. And I actually wasted my time going to AutoZone just now buying this one. So it's like $5 wasted, but you know, we'll keep it just in case. You never know you need double-sided tape. And then this process is just peeling the tape and then plugging it along the outskirts of this roof spoiler. So we're gonna get a nice little piece. Go up here? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't done this in a minute. Oh my goodness. This part is where it gets tedious, so I might speed this part up because it's real tedious, chat. But y'all see what I'm trying to do. Shain't like gum. No, I'm gonna pick all this up too, y'all. Don't litter. Shit annoying, bro. Yo. Oh man, I'm busting up. Oh no, I'm busting up.
Nah, you good, bro. You ain't a perfectionist, bro, for me.
Nah.
We all human.
Alright, but I'm just trying to take this part off. So I pulled the first strip off, but y'all see it's all wrapped up in my hand, so I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. Alright, just undoing this up. I'm just gonna put it alongside the outskirts of it. Gotta take your time too, make sure the outline is good and everything like that. Take your time, don't rush. I know it's a little messy right now, but I mean, it's all gonna make sense. I might use this one for AutoZone, bro. This one's busting up.
Nah, yeah, use that.
Yeah, let me switch up with different tape.
Don't mind this, y'all. If y'all need any work done to y'all V's, my boy gonna get the job done, man.
Nah, it's 100 degrees out here, yo.
Yeah, he
like,
working.
It's like a sauna out here right now. Yeah, like I see what I do for y'all, man.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man.
OD. On the road to 2K subs, actually, you feel me? It looks on 1,500. I think I thanked y'all for that, feel me? But we're gonna go to 2,000 next, feel me, and so on. But make sure y'all subscribe to the cameraman, feel me, Mr. Q50TG, man. That boy going crazy.
Nah, this ain't about me, man.
Mr. Humble, y'all don't mind him, feel me?
Nah, man, we watch official Double M.
Alright, this one a little easier, chat. This one a little easier. So boom, we're gonna pull that strip off. Boom. I feel like this was a little easier to work with than the AutoZone one. I mean, whoa, than the one that they sent
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
Oh, nah, way better.
Yeah, what? Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all, so definitely get one from AutoZone. This one that it comes with is okay, but maybe that's why this flew off last time. I feel like this tape better. Word too. See? Quick little mod, it's light work. Save money on labor and everything like that. Just do it yourself. You don't gotta pay nobody to install it. I wish I could do that with all my mods, but your boy not that handsy. Hopefully I got enough for the bottom part though. This phase skimp.
Nah, it should be.
Yeah, I'll pull up this little part just to... Yeah, that's perfect. So y'all see, it looks a little messy and everything like that, but y'all see like the idea. So boom, I'm just gonna put that little part on there. Hopefully that sticks though. Then we're gonna do the same thing for that bottom half.
You gotta make sure you leave the link in the description too, just in case they want to cop.
If y'all want the part, the roof spoiler, if y'all got a Dodge Charger, anything like that, and you want a roof spoiler, I'm gonna put the link in the description. So y'all boys can cop this too. Cause me personally, like, it adds a nice little touch to the car. So that's why I bought it again.
This one here to stay, y'all. This one not flying over.
Yeah, we're gonna speak positive energy, man.
Got to.
Gotta speak that, man. Ooh, this skimp, bro. Yikes, let's see if we make it though.
Not sure, and then you could just use a little last piece from the other one.
Oh. From this one?
Yeah.
This one is trash, bro. The qualities feel so cheap.
They gotta do better.
Alright, y'all, so we're on our last little strip right now. And we're gonna put the finishing touches on it. I don't even know what I was trying to say. You see this, bro? Like how dirt this is?
Yeah, that joint like mad flimsy.
Yeah, bro. Like the black one from AutoZone was like fake, alright. It's like sticking to my hand all crazy.
Yeah, make sure if y'all cop this, like bro said, get your own tape from AutoZone. Because if you look at this, compared to this, y'all can see the difference.
Yeah, definitely, bro. So yeah, that's the finishing touches right here with this last little piece of tape. Boom. Boom. So now all we're gonna do, y'all, is just plug and play. We got the double tape on both sides. All we gotta do for me is just install it on there, man, for me. So let's do it right now. What shots I hit it from? This side so they can see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this way, right?
Make sure it's lining up too. Yeah, not a little back. Yeah.
It's 30.
Right.
Oh, that's 30. I'm just gonna, you know, press down this for a little bit.
I ain't trying to get my fingerprints on.
Nah, we can wipe it down. Alright. So y'all see how easy that was, man, for me. Let me get it on this side, see how it looks. Oh, that's clean. You can see the difference already?
Yeah.
Y'all see how that look, man. Let me just press down a little bit on here. Just gotta make sure it's really pressed on, y'all, because these parts can fly on so easy. Feels sturdy to me. So boom, feel me? That's pretty much it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, feel me? Just fill it out. Make sure it's not moving, anything like that. Press down on it. Wipe it down, because your fingerprints are gonna be all on that joint. So I'm gonna get my rag real quick. Just wipe it down. Make it look nice and polished. And just wipe the other side down real quick. And then boom, feel me? Pretty much it, man. Feel me? Simple vid, simple mod. Not too crazy. Boom, y'all see how it's looking, man. Feel me? Nice little touch. But yeah, feel me? If y'all do want this roof spoiler, I am gonna put the link down in the description. I paid probably like $50 or $60 or something like that. Not bad at all. And then you save a lot of money on labor if you just do it yourself. So to me, this is a good mod right here, man. For me, something calm. And yeah, man. But I ain't gonna drag the video out more than what it has to be. Feel me? It's your boy Mar. You feel me? Let me show y'all the cameraman real quick. Let me show y'all the legend real quick too. You feel me? I got him with me and all that.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy. My boy really going up, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nobody doing it like bro, man. Make sure y'all tap in for real.
He chat right now, y'all. He chat, feel me? But y'all see what's going on, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this vid. I'm gonna start trying to do more mods and everything like that, so more vlogs will come out and everything like that. So if y'all enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, man. More mods and everything coming soon. And I'll catch you in the next one, man. Y'all be easy, stay blessed, stay safe. Boy Mari's out of here, man.